Hello Durban, Mrs. Yulin here. Today we are going to practice reading and writing the sound D. D, D, D. D, D, D. D, D, D. Should we have a look at some pictures? D, D, dog. D, D, dog. D, D, duck. D, D, duck. D, D, dinosaur. D, D, dinosaur. D, D, doll. D, D, doll. Watch me draw the picture. Dinosaur. D. Dinosaur. D. Dinosaur. D. Dinosaur. D. Dinosaur. D. Same. 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 When we see the picture, we say dinosaur. When we see the sound, we say D. Are you ready? Let's see how quick you can be. You're really good at this. Oh. Fantastic. Now, let's review a few of our sounds. Let's get D in the back. Boop. There he goes. Ready. Remember, when you see him, point. Point at him. Wow, you were really quick. I think you can definitely be quicker than that. Let's get him back in the pack. No peeping. There he goes. There he goes. Ready? Going to be really, really quick this time. Trick do, it was so quick. One last go. Let's get him in the pack. Ready. Let's see how quick you can be this time. Wow, you were super quick. Well done, everyone. Okay, now let's see how we write our letter. D, d, d. Let's their right. D, d, d. Around his bottom, up his tall neck and down to his feet. Oh, well done. I even heard some of you saying that as you wrote it in the air. Shall we have another turn? Around the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck and then down to his feet. Around the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck and then down to his feet. Okay, if you've got your pens and your paper ready, or your whiteboard and your pen, we are going to practice writing the sound D. Around the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck and down to his feet. Fabulous. Right,